Congratulations on hitting the end of this chapter, where the main goal was to learn how to set up our own iterators to supercharge our own custom containers with powers to work with standard library algorithms. And we had a chance to see many examples here. We started out by reviewing what kind of iterators we have in the C++ standard library. We have input iterators, output iterators, forward iterators, bidirectional iterators, random access iterators. We even have contiguous iterators, but we didn't really play with us. You can explore this on your own if you need this in your C++ projects. We started out by looking at what is needed to supercharge your own containers with iterator support. We saw that you needed to make your class a class template, you needed to model iterator classes, and you needed to set up begin and end methods that return those iterators. And those iterators should model the features or the operators that are needed by the algorithm you want to work on your container. We also saw that the iterator class needed to provide type aliases needed by the C++ standard library, things like pointer type, value type. We had a chance to look at this. And after this, we looked at a concrete example of how we can do that. So here is our type aliases, and our class is called iterator. It needed to provide a bunch of operators to make this work as an iterator, but we also provided begin and end methods, and we had a chance to play with us. We also had a chance to modify our iterator example here to make it work in scenarios where input iterators are needed, where output iterators are needed, where forward iterators are needed, and all kinds of crazy iterators, all the way up to random access iterators with the sorting algorithm. And then we saw that we could use row pointers as iterators. We had a chance to return pointers to our underlying box container array. And next we saw that we could wrap iterators returned by other containers to use them as our own iterators. We also had a chance to show that our box container had the ability to work with view and range adapters from the C++20 ranges library, and this was really cool. This is all I had to share in this chapter. I hope you found it interesting. We are going to stop here in this one. In the next one, we're going to start and learn about C++20 coroutines. Go ahead and finish up here and meet me there.